I'm Gracie. Welcome to Lockdown Baking. Today we're making yoghurt bark. First we will need our ingredients. We will need some raspberries, some blueberries, some strawberries, some honey and some vanilla yoghurt. First we will need to get a template like this and place it on the bottom of our tray. And then we will need to pour in the honey with the yoghurt. Then we will need to pour it into our tray. Then we will need to add in our fruit and give it a shake so it spreads it out. Now we need to chop up our strawberries. Now we will need to let it set in the freezer for 2 hours. It's had about 2 hours in the freezer and it's ready to eat. This is today's lockdown baking. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe and see you next time for more lockdown baking.